You can reach tech support during office hours by clicking the Help button in the upper right corner of the Denari page and then clicking on Support. You can enter questions or messages here. Your message gets automatically logged into our tracking system and receives priority. You will get an answer back within 2 hours, but usually it's 30 to 45 minutes. The answers to those messages will appear in the message center. You can access those messages by clicking the message icon in the center part of the page. And I have a sample message for us here. In the upper left portion of the message, you have 3 buttons. A print button that puts the message on a new tab. You can use your print function then in the browser to print from there. You have a reply button to send us a reply if information is needed or you need to continue the conversation. If you reply to the message rather than creating a new one, tech support will get the history of the conversation, which is helpful when dealing with dozens of messages in a day. You also have a delete button here that allows you to remove the message once you've finished. One note here, messages only stay in your message center for 5 days, so you'll need to print any message that you want to keep longer than that. You should always initiate new tech support messages through the support button at the top of the page. As mentioned earlier, they get logged into a tracking system and will not fall through the cracks. Also, there is then a history of your message, which can be helpful in solving problems in the future. Sometimes, though, you just need to talk to a person to discuss something. Simply send us a message using the support button as usual and ask us to call. Be sure to leave a phone number and extension if needed. We'll call you in the same time frame that you can expect a written message. Tech support office hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Occasionally, a problem or question you have can't be answered by first level tech support. If that happens, your issue will be turned over to level 2 tech support and you will be informed that is happening. It gets logged into a separate tracking system and is assigned to a programmer based on priority and urgency. It could take 24 to 48 hours or more sometimes for you to receive an answer back at that point. You will receive an email from the tracking system letting you know once the issue has been resolved. However, we will do everything we can to resolve the issue in level 1 tech support and only bump it to level 2 as a last resort. This concludes this video on tech support. If you have any questions, please contact tech support following the instructions we've discussed above.